Hello and welcome to this practical number 24 of dual voltage regulator. Myself Sanjit Kumar Singh, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department at Praveen Patil College, Mahendra. So in this practical we will build up a dual voltage regulator using IC 7805 and another IC 7905 to get the output of plus 5 volt and minus 5 volt. So the competency required as per the industry point of view is to use discrete electronic devices and voltage regulator from this practical, and relevant course outcome is to maintain IC voltage regulator and SMPS. And for this, since we are making use of two transistor IC, that is 7805 and 7805 is providing it is a positive voltage regulator that provides a plus 5 volt, and the other IC 7905 provides a negative voltage of minus 5 volt. So these two 78 and 79 series are the 3 terminal ICs with inbuilt capacity of overheating and short circuit protection, and they are very much suitable for fixed voltage output and using it. So the topology of the transistor we see is TO220 with the pin configuration in 7805. Pin number 1 is of the input, pin number 2 is the ground, and pin number 3 is the output pin, whereas for 79 series the pin number 1 and 2 are interchanged. 1 is now the ground, 2 is the input, and 3 is the output. So this is the circuit of dual voltage regulator, which makes use of center tap transformer that will step down the 230 volt to 15 volt and is applied to a bridge rectifier consisting of 4 diodes D1, D2, D3 and D4. The component diode is IN4001 and it makes use of 4 capacitors, 2 on the input side of the transistors or voltage regulator IC and 2 on the right hand side to filter out any AC component or to make the output smooth, constant. So the value of capacitor here are 1000 microfarad, and here we have the 100 microfarad and 100 microfarad capacitors used. So this is the circuit to be implemented, and here this is the circuit. So this is the transformer that draws 230 volt and gives output. With respect to this blue wire is the ground. With respect to this, the output voltage measured will be of 9 volt, since it is 909 transformer providing 9 volt with respect to plus minus 9 volt with respect to the center line. So that voltage is applied to rectifier here. The 4 diodes we see, this is the bridge rectifier that will provide the pulsating DC. Now to smoothen or to make remove the pulses, we are making use of capacitor filters. On input side, the capacitor filters are of larger value, 1000 microfarad each, whereas on output side these two are the 100 microfarad capacitors used. This is 7805 IC and down here it is 7905 IC. So output measured with respect to ground, this is the ground line, blue wire is the ground line, and here it is 5 volt and down here 5.1 volt we are getting practically, that we can demonstrate with the help of multimeter. When voltage is measured, power supply is switched on. So here we get 5 volt and plus 5 volt output, and with respect to ground we are getting minus 5.10 negative voltage output. So it provides constant voltage output, positive and negative, with the two ICs 7805 and 7905. Similarly we can design more such voltage regulators with making use of other IC. For instance, 7808, 780, 7801215. So we have the number of the ICs accordingly. These are the components that have been used. Here we have made use of 909 transformer, center tape transformer, and the result will be noted in the observation table. For 7805 5 volt output, 7905 minus 5.1 volt, and result is written. Similarly we can design for plus minus 20 volt with the ICs used of higher value 7820 and 7920. That's all. Thank you.